Bangkok has been my home for the last 22 years, and it can be a very exciting place to live and work. But, like all big cities, it's nice to escape from time to time. 4 years ago, I embarked on a project to visit and tell a story about all 77 Thai provinces. I wanted to go to the places where tourists don't go, to be the first foreigner maybe to visit some of these places. I thought it would take 2 years, but so far it has taken 4 years. There was the small issue of the pandemic, however. But now I am approaching the end of that journey, and it's time to share some of the experiences I had on the road while I was freewheeling through paradise. Welcome to my new channel, which I hope you will like and subscribe so that you can enjoy freewheeling through paradise. Please hit the like button, which really helps me to produce more of these videos, and hit the subscribe button to get an alert each time I upload a new video. Watch out for the first journey coming up soon. This will be to the Wild West, Thailand's borderlands with Myanmar. See you in paradise.